Heat 37 is underway.
Oh my God, go guys, go.
Daimler Truck Semi-Dragon. In lane 2, ZPF Protect. In lane 3, T-Fusion. And in lane 4, the fire-breathing Blowfish.
Come on, Fusion.
I'm sitting up for this race, but I'm excited to see my team. So here we go. I just started and announced. I can't see anything for a while, basically.
Oh, my heart's beating so fast.
Whew.
Come on, Fusion.
The Allen family, boys. Oh, Carlos is here, singing at the shore. Oh, Toyo's watching. We're all
Come on, Fusion. Keep going.
getting the live action. Neck and neck right now.
They look like they're in time. Kim and Sarah are on time.
Close race. Daimler Truck Semi-Dragon. Lane 1. ZPF Protect. Lane 2. Team Fusion. Lane 3. And the fire-breathing Blowfish. Lane 4.
It's a close race. That's awesome.
Super close.
Come on, guys. Can't really tell from this angle how we're doing. Oh, dig. Come on. Come on. Come on, Erica. Get them going. Rile them up. Let's go. Let's go.
They're like the closest to professional team we have in Portland. Well, I mean, you can imagine like a company like
The far lane's in the front. Is that lane 1? Well, we expected Daimler out front, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
In the lead in lane 1. Daimler Truck Semi-Dragon.
We look like we're battling for third, though.
Yeah, it does look
Protect
like
in lane 2. Neck to neck with the fire-breathing Blowfish in lane 4. And Team Fusion in lane 3.
Come on, Fusion. Come on. It's about the time.
Kick it down.
Dig. Come on. Come on. See it. Want it. Let's go. Kate's already laying down.
Go. Come on.
Come on.
Dig deep. Get it. Get it. Come on. Push, push, push.
Did we just pull in front of lane 2?
Yes, we did.
Come on.
Come on.
Holy sh! Come on. Come on, guys. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Oh my God. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we're slipping. We're slipping. Come on. It's going to come down to Kate's hand again. Come on, Kate. Come on, Fusion. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, be in front. Come on. Come on, Fusion.